Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you the entrance to the ancient ruins inside the sacred temple. So as you know, there is a new expansion for players who reach up to 200s, level 200s. So if you go here inside the sacred temple and use the elevator, you can find the entrance to the ancient ruins. So you can just go in here. This is the crystalline passage. You can just go down here, and after that you'll find the entrance. It's a little bit long. Okay, this one in here. So to be able to open the ancient ruins, you need to give or put 4 kind of fishes: the crocodile, Goliath tiger, freshwater piranha, and also the sacred guardian squid. So I'm going to put it one by one in here. Okay, you can just place the items. Let's put on the crocodile and the Goliath tiger, also the piranha. Okay, last item. Okay, so the ruin door has been opened. Now you can go fish in here. This is the new location, ancient ruin. And there's also, let's see, the event. So 3 hours from now there will be this event where I can get the Ancient Loch Ness Monster. So let's try my luck after that. So this is the new location, the ancient ruin. So guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.